All right, so we installed the trailer light harness. Just a 3-way. Plug it in, run it over the top. Put the other one in right there. And then everything comes down in one shot. But I saw a video where a guy fished it up through these from down under. Let's go check it out. Is this it? It's a fucking access door, this thing. Couple tabs on this guy. Now there's a little plate that covers everything down here at the bottom. So you're gonna have to ram this up past it, and then I'll show you what we do once we get to the top. We have to tape the wires because this plate's a real fucking bitch. Oh yep, there it is. Look at this. Right there. Pull it out. Run about that far up. Tape it. Let's see what here. Got it right now. All right. So far, so good. Oh, dude. I fucking made it. Alright. Fuck you, plastic flap. Cool. Oh, look at this asshole. Hey. Where's your hard hat? Fucker. No PPEs. We got our wires. But I want it out here, so I'm gonna route it over there. Pretty clean. And here we go. That's how I did it.